Gavana wa Meru Kirito Murungi no gete thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru kethira kigwatana ya Rwang'iro mwitu gutigira ni bakumba kwithira bakireta atari ki Meru kaunti. Na ugite kiama gia Sethi Ngovu Ruterene Rukenya ni kiumbite kwithira gikiriongira kieni gia showground na kwithira bakiuga kinya kiongwa gikethira kibua kwithira gikiongongera ucumiro Meru kiutethia na witi mbere gukura kwa Meru kaunti.
Kenya Forest Service, KWS na stakeholders bara kulitanguia ukuria ecotourism ya Meru tukwenda Meru town ethwari town ina heshima muno town ina buntu kwingi kwa creation kwa ukenerwa na tukua tukathithia Lake Nkonga ethwari ya tourism facility njaga ya ukenerwa ni akuru ana na twana twa Meru town na environs na kinya King'imuru ekathithwa urantu bagetaga picnic nao tukwenye kieni kia golf kiumba kuthithwa Meru town na turiaja huyo na bwana Kirenya Mongo ni chairman wa Meru Golfers na baraigire kieni kila na SK tuveritebaranirie.
And we love the political goodwill as also we continue engaging the local communities in support of the management of the and conservation of the forest, and also to see how economic life of those who are within the environment or within the surrounding will improve.
So we are in support of the county government, and as a national government we don't have any boundaries with the county government. We work together, we work for the people of this country, and as long as the people of this country are benefiting, that is what we are there for. So thank you, and let's continue working together.
Say that we are working closely with the institutions that are relevant here, the county government, the Kenya Forest Service, and as KWS we are here to support wildlife-related tourism in the county. Imenti Forest is one of our key elephant habitats. Is one of migratory corridors for elephants moving from Mount Kenya to Samburu Isiolo ecosystem, and therefore this area becomes very important to us. We are going to work closely with other partners, that is the KFS and the county government, to continue conservation of elephants and other wildlife, and at the same time to develop wildlife and biodiversity related tourism. We are going to use our experience as KWS to share with the county government.
Nkiripotera Meru TV kuma Meru Town betoka Imenyi Omwirigi.